Back in July of 2008, I bought my first BMW. It was this beautiful brocade red, fully original 325i Coupe from October 1993. Now, I had only driven 3 Series back in the day when I was taking driving lessons, some 30 years ago, so I couldn't quite remember what it was like. But I can tell you I was blown away by the handling and comfort of this car, besides the stunning looks, of course. Now, this line of 3 Series, the E36, was first introduced back in 1992, and by the time I got it, it didn't have the best reputation, meaning there were a lot of them being bought by young guys with a tendency to, let's say, over-accessorize them. Haha. I was lucky though, because I found this particular one online in Germany. I imported it myself, and before I actually bought it, I found out it had only had one previous owner, who had obviously taken good care of this car. It was 15 years old, but it had only run about 65,000 kilometers or about 40,000 miles. It even smelled kinda new inside. After 9 years of joy, without any troubles whatsoever, I decided to sell it. Within one day, a friendly guy from the south of the Netherlands called me if he could have a look. It turned out he had a private car sales business and he had a clear love for BMW. And I told him I would love it if he would sell it to a person who really appreciates the original beauty of this car. He told me he would clean up the car nicely and sell it to a BMW appreciator. And little did I know that the car I had learned to love over the last 9 years could look even more stunning with the original, yes, that's important, original M3 kit on. Wow, the pictures speak for themselves, I guess. And yes, for those of you who say, but it's not a real M3, that's correct. However, I think it looks amazing and it's still a very nice sporty car with its almost 200 brake horsepower 6-cylinder engine. Please let us know in the comments below what you think about this car. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, please subscribe to our channel.